You see these blue candles? They are called proof candles, and they are the only time that I enter trades. Let's talk about them. Does a surfer stand on their board and hope that a wave comes? No, that would be dumb. Trading stocks is the exact same way. I mean, what are you gonna do? Buy flat price action and flat volume and just hope that a move comes? You need a reason to jump into the move. Thus, I created my proof candles. What these candles are green candles. So in and of themselves, they are closing higher than they are opening. And also the close of the candle is above the highest closing value out of the previous 10 candles. So you are getting local price action breakout. But then, most important part, to back up that price action, to make sure that it is a legit breakout, the volume candle must also be greater than the previous 10 volume candles. But that's just the very beginning of how you actually use proof candles to make money in your trading, because you can't just go randomly buy every single one of these breakouts and expect to be profitable over time. In fact, most of these kind of breakout candles are going to fail. So what can we do to increase the winning percentage that we have on buying breakouts like this? How I decide whether I am or am not going to enter any one of my setups is by using my NVF framework. Now, we've already covered V with our proof candles. The stock must have heavy relative volume. The proof candles are already handling that by only highlighting candles that also have volume breakouts. The N on the NVF framework stands for news. So the stock, the company on the day, must also have announced news. Now, there's much more to it than just to have randomly announced news. We're going to get into that next, but let me tell you what the F stands for as well. The F stands for float. If you are looking for extreme volatility, which as a day trader, that is what you should be targeting, you should be targeting stocks with lower than 30 million shares of available float. Now, the most important part in all of this is the ability to locate news, volume, and float live and in real time, because it doesn't matter how good your framework is for finding setups. If you don't have the ability to find the setups live and in real time, you simply will not make any money. What you just saw was my real-time stock scanner. I spend over $66,000 a year on both the price action and news data for that scanner so that it will outperform every single other scanner in this price range, because in my price range, every other scanner is using free stock data, which is going to be roughly 15 seconds of delay. If you are trying to buy breakouts on 15-second delay, you are going to be nothing more than the exit liquidity for the people actually playing those breakouts. Since I pay to access such expensive data, I am able to provide to you the data updating 4 times a second. The largest delay you will have on my scanner is 250 milliseconds, and you can access all of that for only $45 a month. Or if you happen to be watching this video still during Memorial Day weekend when I release it, then perfect timing. You can get 12 months of access to this scanner for only $270. Think about how different your life could look in 12 months of having access to real-time stock data like this. Once you sign up, all you need to do is click on this purple button and you'll be taken to the scanner website. Once again, available on my website, daytradingstrategies.net, which I will link at the top of the description down below this video. Go click, go get signed up today, and become a better trader immediately. The second most important part of deciding what stocks to day trade, besides obviously having the ability to find them, is jumping back into our NVF framework. Number one was news, but most importantly, the type of news that you should be looking for. It's not just that you should go buy any stock just because it has news. You need to be targeting stocks that contain a hot buzzword now. How do you decide what the hot buzzwords now are? You can use my scanner or some other similar tool to go back in time. My scanner comes with a time machine functionality. I do this myself, every single weekend, I go back through every single day of the previous week and I look at the top gainers based on news and I look at what those headlines are. This is some AI company, or maybe it's not, a Nox AI to expand oncology cell therapy. Never mind. This is some biotech news that had a stock up 66% on the most recent trading day. I write down this headline, I study it, and I do that for every mover over the last week to help me understand what news is moving stocks now. Take ticker FJET. This is the same ticker that we were looking at the intro of this video. I was very interested in this stock live and in real time on Friday. I mentioned it live in the live streams that I do every single Monday and Friday mornings right here on this YouTube channel. We talked about how much I was into this move because if we come in and look at the news, you can see that on Friday, Starfighter Space secures $17.5 million equity investment. First thing I really like about that news, $17.5 million. Something I'm noticing a lot of right now in news buzzwords that are causing stocks to move is any news that gets a real dollar sign amount of cash in the headline. The stock market right now is really rewarding actual material number news. And then secondly, just in general, this is a space-related company. With all the hype around the SpaceX IPO happening soon, all space-related stocks are really, really hot right now. I made a short form video that I released on this YouTube channel just before market open on Friday, talking about how much I liked ASTS. This stock immediately shot up 10% on Friday. SIDU, another space company, etc., etc. But because I study news and because I'm keeping up with what is currently hot in the market right now, I know to be keeping an eye on these space-related stocks. And when I saw that space-related stock getting news on Friday, I told the whole chat during the live stream that this was going to be one to watch. You ended up getting an explosive move. So volume obviously helps you to increase your win percentage, and that's why I've built that in to my proof candle calculation. But honestly, the most important thing in increasing your winning percentage in the stock market is trading stocks with news, and very, very specifically, and something that you need to study and stay on top of, is trading stocks with news that is hot right now. And the third letter, F, is really a simple one. Float represents the current supply of a company. Basic laws of supply and demand tell you that the lower the supply of any product, if you get an increase in demand, the price and value of that product is going to be volatile. As active traders, we should be targeting volatility. Once again, I consider a stock to be low float if it is sub 30 million share float. So let me pause my replay here from Friday on my stock scanner, and let's take a look at a couple of movers. So I have PCLA hitting my moving now scanner right now at 9:33, only has a 9.6 million share float. We load back into our charts here. We go look at PCLA right out of market open. We can see this thing was indeed volatile. I mean, the first 4 minutes there, you got 11.5% gain. Now, you never got any proof candle happening there because it was never any local breakouts in either price action or volume, but you can see the volatility, and actually you can see the nice first proof candle right back here actually on this ticker. However, if I were to go back and I were to go look at another stock on my scanner, INFQ, 218 million share float. So a much, much larger float. If we go over and look at INFQ, we should see here out of market open. Guess what? This looks crazy. Like, doesn't this look much more explosive than PCLA? But even this whole move is only 8, 9, 10%. It's like the same as the PCLA chop was out of open. This stock is just much less volatile, though you got a nice move here. Doesn't mean that stocks with high float can't get nice moves, but look, even as crazy as this looks, it's only 11%, right? If a low float stock got that much momentum, it'd be like 30, 40%. So the idea is that if we are to target volatility, which we are, the F of the NVF framework for how I choose what stocks to trade are to look for lower float companies. By the way, I thought about it. I'm just going to go ahead and give you all this proof candle custom study. So down in the description below this video, if you are using Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab's active trader platform, all you need to do is you need to go copy that URL that is down there. Don't go to the actual link. The actual link does nothing. I'm not sure why they even have it linked to something, but just go copy the URL, come to setup in the top right, open shared item, paste that URL in here, preview and import. And just like that, you will have my DTS proof candles imported into your Thinkorswim forever, where you can just simply come into your edit studies and turn it on. By the way, when you sign up to my website, daytradingstrategies.net, to access that real-time stock scanner, you also get access to 150 plus custom trading codes just like that. It includes other scanners, other studies, other strategies, everything you're seeing on this chart here, all included, once again, at no additional cost. All of those codes are also just included alongside the scanner, not to mention you also get access to the official daytradingstrategies.net Discord server, which currently consists of 2,640 members. I honestly believe that on my website, I have built the best package of premium tools for beginner traders that are ready to start taking their trading seriously. And if you happen to be watching this video right when it's released during Memorial Day weekend, first off, I hope you're enjoying your long weekend off of the market. Second off, the Memorial Day sale is currently still on, where you can buy 6 months, get 6 months free. You can just click on that yellow banner. You're going to get 12 months of access to the real-time stock scanner, to all 150 plus trading codes, and to the Discord, all for $270. Just absolutely ridiculous value. Once again, daytradingstrategies.net will be linked at the top of the description below. Thank you all for watching this video all the way through. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you make use of the proof candle